Interface defined. Now let's build the implementation. In this lecture, we will create the .cpp file for our PushButton class. We'll write the logic that tells the Arduino how to initialize a pin and how to actually read the electrical state of the button. We start our PushButton.cpp file by including the header file we just created. This links our implementation to our blueprint. Remember to use double quotes because this file is part of our local project. Next, we implement the constructor. We use pushButton::pushButton to tell the compiler this function belongs to our class. Inside, we store the pin number and set the pin mode to input. This ensures the hardware is ready the moment we create the object. Finally, we implement the read method. It returns a byte, which is the result of the digital read function on our private pin. This encapsulates the standard Arduino function inside our object-oriented structure. Now, the user of the class doesn't even need to remember which pin the button is on. The logic is simple but effective. By separating these into a source file, we keep our project modular. If we ever need to change how we read a button, for example, if we move to a different hardware platform, we only need to update this one file. We've built the engine, now let's take it for a test drive. In the next lecture, 05.04, we will create our first PushButton object and use it to read a button state in a real program. See you there.